Welcome. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me on Cryptechology and Into the Portal. So, what are we talking about? If you can't tell, it's that time of the year where you need to be prepared for your taxes. And guess what? You probably traded the markets, right? Last year. And you probably maybe got involved with some crypto, right? Cool. I know. I get it. Chill out. I know you're a little bit nervous. You're like, crypto, taxes, like I get it. All right. But in this video, you'll be able to walk away feeling comfortable, feeling knowledgeable, and having a plan in place of how you can be prepared for your taxes this year. And I know the video might be a little bit late, but better late than never. And the platform that I'm going to go over is called Zen Ledger. Now, I'm going to be upfront with you, disclaimer, this is not a paid sponsorship. I have been using Zen Ledger myself. I didn't get a plan yet, but I kind of started the process because I really wanted to have a good understanding about this before I made this video. I'm a member of the Blockchain Educational Network, and in one of our courses for crypto taxes, this is the platform, or at least one of the platforms in the course that was used. So, making this short video to make you aware of the opportunity, make you aware of the platform and how easy it is to gather all of your documents and really make it look professional, have it set up the right way. And all you need to do is just import, um, click a button, receive the document, and then you can go ahead and upload it. But obviously, you will need to join. There are a few different plans. So we'll go over a little bit of that, and then I'll kind of show you an example of what it looks like with my account. And hopefully you walk away with some knowledge. If you do resonate with anything that was discussed on this channel, I appreciate a like, subscribe, follow, share it with your friends, leave a comment below. Let me know if you want to talk about anything else. But welcome to Cryptechology. And for all of you on the podcast, thank you for joining. Welcome to Into the Portal. This is episode 2 for Into the Portal. We're going over cryptocurrency. It's the tax code time. Boy, the tax time. So, Zen Ledger. What is Zen Ledger and why do you need to know about it? Well, Zen Ledger, it's the number one cryptocurrency tax software. You see, it's telling us right on the page it's number one. I mean, you got your DeFi, NFT, and crypto taxes done in like minutes. I mean, I get it. There's thousands and thousands of transactions. There's a lot of calculations and numbers and squares and this, and I don't even know why I said squares. Where do squares come from? But I get it. There's a lot of stuff, and it can be unsettling, it can be overwhelming, and you probably don't even have the software in place to handle all of that. But fear no more. You can track your ideas. You can track your trades. You can keep track of the transactions so you never overpay on your crypto taxes ever again. And if this is the first time you're having to report on your crypto taxes, at least you're going to get it done professionally the right way. And what I mean by professionally, I don't mean actually the taxes itself. I'm just talking about preparing the documentation to present to your tax professional, accountant, whoever it does your taxes. Again, disclaimer, anything and everything discussed on this channel and on this podcast is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please, this is not a recommendation to buy, sell, trade, invest into any crypto, stock, ticker, symbol, anything discussed on this channel. Again, this is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, now we got that out the way. Jeez, you got to do what you got to do to protect yourself. But anyway, so we got that out the way. You have your year 2021. That's the tax code or tax season for the United States. You need to prepare your documents so you can go get your money back or pay whatever it is that you need to pay. So, how does this all work? Well, let's find out together. So, Zen Ledger is a crypto tax software, okay? It's a software that works and it was built by crypto traders for crypto traders, okay? So, this is what you're going to need to do to get set up. Number one, you're going to have to import your exchanges, your wallet. So this is how we're going to collect all of your transactions. So there are a few ways you can import your wallets and your exchanges onto Zen Ledger. So excuse me, you're going to start by gathering the trading history from all of the years you've been trading and all the exchanges. So what is an exchange? Okay, like Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, all right, Robinhood, wherever it is that you're using to trade and invest in cryptocurrency, that's an exchange, and you can set it up, authorize, and then import the transactions onto Zen Ledger here. And it would automatically calculate the cost basis for you, the fair market value, the gains and losses for your transaction history. It's really amazing. So then after you go ahead and import all of your transactions, the next thing it's going to review the transaction. So now it's going to make sure that your capital gains, losses, it's going to go over the tax liability for all of their transactions itself, line by line. It's going to give you a clear resolution center to ensure that you've imported your information successfully. And you're also going to get a review of your historical cryptocurrency tax income related to mining, staking, lending, gifts, or exchange rewards like airdrops and forks. Yeah, I know. If you got any airdrops, or if you're part of any hackathons, or if you're staking and you've received any type of reward, it's going to look like income. And because it is an income, or it's going to become a capital gains tax, and specifically for the United States. Now, please, you can still use this outside of the US because it sets it up. And I think there are ways that you can still do the documentations for your country as well. So if you are outside the US and you need to use this, definitely look into it. But I'm just speaking from the US. But if you're outside the US and you're watching this video, please take a time to look at it, because I believe the documentation is available for other countries as well. I would think so, but I didn't go test it out. I didn't go down that route. So just being straight up with everybody. All right. So after it reviews everything, so the historical cryptocurrency tax incomes like related to mining, staking, lending, gifts, or exchange rewards, that's actually going to be a manual import. So it's going to be up to you to remember um if you did get any airdrops. And if you did get any airdrops, just pull up the wallet related to it, if it's on MetaMask, and then just type it in, which coin it was, how much you got, and then it can calculate that for you. You can even, overestimate if you're gonna guesstimation or something like that. Say you do know that you did receive an airdrop, but you don't remember where, when, but you received $300 or something like that. So there you go. You can put it down. All right. So, and the last thing, you can download the file for your crypto tax forms. This is the part I was talking about, the documentation portion of it. It's really, really amazing. It does a wonderful job at preparing this, and I'm going to show you an example of what it looks like. So keep watching the video, all right, because we're going to go over that together. All right, so after reviewing the reports and it's ensuring the accuracy of everything, the final step is going to generate your tax report, and then it's going to file them. All right, so for each tax year, the following documents are automatically created. All right, so for the IRS form, the 8949, all right, you have the Schedule 1, the Schedule D, All right, the FinCEN 114 FBAR, the tax loss harvesting, the Grand Unified Accountant, and the TurboTax online direct import. So there are so much integration abilities here, and I really enjoy what I'm showing. So let's go. Speaking about integrations, let's go take a look at some of the integrations they have available. So they support all crypto exchanges and wallets via API or CSV. So you can do a direct integration with 400 plus exchanges, 40 plus blockchains, and 20 plus DeFi protocols. So, I mean, that should cover you across the board. Like, unless you're like using some, beta version of some cut, some, I don't know. But this is plenty of exchanges for integration. There's no reason why you shouldn't be able to have everything necessary so you can have peace of mind. You did your taxes and you can walk away going into the summer feeling good, and you don't have to worry about, the tax zombie trying to come take your bread. You know what I'm saying? So, all right. So, after that, there are a few resources I want to show you first before we get into the different pricing. All right, so this is the Zen Ledger cryptocurrency tax blog. It is a one stop for the latest news about crypto taxes, and the product feature updates. So it's a great place for you to come and just figure out, hey, what's the newest thing they just added? I see that they've partnered with the NFT bank for Axie Affinity. All right, so that's cool. There's some trading bots that go over. It goes over play to earn and some things like that. So come by, take a look at the blog. There's some valuable information here as well. And then I'm sure this is something that you all have been waiting for, the price and how much is all of this. All right. So these are the different crypto tax software plans. It's fairly competitively priced. I'm not going to lie. These are per year. All right. And essentially it depends on how many transactions it needs to review. All right. So unfortunately for myself, I need something around here for up to 5,000. And but if you just around here, if you're under 25, right, you're free. Okay, up to 149. Okay, so 5,000 is 150 for the year, 15,400, and then unlimited is the stack. Okay. They're pretty much all the same. Besides it looks like the unlimited gives you some premium services related to customer service, and then if you need some consultation work or a single year tax report done, multi-year done, you can go ahead and discuss those options as well with the professionals over at Zen Ledger, or whoever they happen to work with as a liaisons. Now, let's go and take a look at the dashboard, my dashboard. Okay, and here's just a few examples of what it would look like if you were going to import some of your transactions. So this is just one exchange at the moment, and it's utilizing the year from 2021. So what are we looking at? So this is the dashboard. This is what's going to look like. This is after you've gone through the import process. Okay, so once the import is done, you'll see that, all right, here's all the crypto and my holdings from the current year to last year. And so let's go and see. We're going to click on this button right here. It's going to say calculate taxes. All right, so we're going to click on calculate taxes. And while that loads, okay, it's going to start reviewing the transactions line by line. And it should break it down by my capital gains, the losses, you know, all the stuff I guess I need to know so I can tell them how much I gotta pay, you know what I mean? Or it's just, they're gonna come after your bag anyway. All right, so what all right, we have something's happening here. Something's happening. Okay, so it looks like there's some data missing in the trades. I can go ahead and resolve it now, but you know what, we're just gonna say just show my report because just show it to me, man. All right, so here what? Who made that much money? Not me. As you can see, I was down a stack 940. I didn't make any money. I ended the year broke. Okay. So it looks like we got an external transfer down here. Okay. Okay, and then some miscellaneous reward down there. Also, let's go ahead and click resolve issues. All right, so now here's the line by line of some issues that is picked up on, and it's gonna want to know what type of transaction it was, so you can go through this to go ahead and handle that. Okay, so you have an opportunity to explain, some of the transactions and the reasons why. All right, so this was from 2022. Let's do this. So that was everything from last year and this year. So let's just go over 2021. All right, so when you select your plan, this is what the documents are going to look like. Okay, and oopsies. So this is what the document looks like, and the data will show up here line by line, and then you'll just be able to provide the form to your tax consultant. Okay. Um, so yeah. All right. So this is, Zen Ledger. I would definitely, take a look at this and see what, if this can be helpful for you and doing your taxes for 2021, and, see how this is crazy because I don't, I know I didn't make this much, or maybe I did, or did I? Did I? Did I really? I don't think I did. I don't think I did. I think. But that's what Zen Ledger is there to tell you. So, if you found this video valuable, if you learned anything, please hit that like, hit that subscribe, leave a comment below. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. For everybody on Into the Portal, sorry, this I didn't really think this one through all the way. As you can't see anything that I was talking to and referring to. But head over to Zen Ledger, okay? zenledger.io, and it will help you with your crypto taxes. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you all. I'm going to be on Black Heights coming up soon, so stay tuned for that video. We're going to talk about my journey from the beginning till now, blockchain, IoT, business entrepreneurship, mining, trading, investing, the Millionaire Challenge, all of it. We're going to get into it. So that's Black Heights YouTube channel. Stay tuned for that video. Everyone else, have a great night. Thank you for your support. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought. Help me improve this channel, so we can connect and collaborate some more. Catch you guys on the next one.